Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell about exercise 7.4 permutation and combination basic information. Permutations and combinations. Permutation are those in which selection and order both are important. But in combination there are only selection is important. The formula for permutation is NPR, which is equal to factorial n divided by factorial n minus r. The formula for combination is factorial n divided by, the formula for combination is NCR, which is equal to factorial n divided by factorial r factorial n minus r. These are the basic difference between permutations and combination. Now we will talk about combination. So combination, what is combination? The combination are those in which selection is important. Order is not important, only selection is important. Now there are some remark. NC 0 equal to 1 and second one is NCA equal to, if NCA equal to NCB, then N equal to A plus B. How to derive this? So first we derive it. How it come? N equal to A plus B, how it come? So see the derivation of this equation. So we'll let A equal to R and B equal to N minus R. Now we use this formula and see A equal to, we put the value of A equal to R. A equal to R and C and B equal to N minus R. Now we use the formula for NCR, that is equal to factorial n divided by factorial R n minus R. So we write this in factorial n divided by factorial R n minus R. It is equal to factorial n. There is R equal to R, here R is equal to n minus R. So we write in R place n minus R factorial n minus R. So see, factorial n divided by factorial R factorial n minus R, that is equal to factorial n upon factorial n minus R factorial n minus, now we open the bracket, n plus R, so n to n cancel. So our conclusion is, here we conclude that, here we conclude that factorial n divided by factorial R factorial n minus R, that is equal to factorial n divided by factorial n minus R factorial R, which is equal to LHS. So here n equal to, the relation between n, when n equal to n, the relation between n is equal to A plus B, यानी we add r in both equation. Here r is, let's see this together. Here a equal to r plus b equal to n minus r. So here n equal to r to r cancel, so n equal to n. So see that n equal to n. So we conclude that n equal to a plus b. This is our formula. When n equal to n, then our formula equal to n equal to a plus b. So thanks for watching this video.